Good morning students. Today you are going to learn about plant cells and animal cells. You can refer your textbook page number 96 and figure 8.7 of your textbook. Let us first see the diagram of an animal cell. This is a diagram of an animal cell. You can see cell membrane. Number 1 it is given. You can zoom out and see the labelings. Number 4 is chromosomes. 5 is cytoplasm. 6 is mitochondria, which is also called the powerhouse of the cell, which you will learn in the later classes. Nuclear membrane, as I had already explained, it is the membrane surrounding the nucleus. Nucleus and vacuoles. So observe the vacuoles given here. You can zoom it and you can see the vacuoles here in an animal cell are smaller in size. Now let us understand the diagram of a plant cell. You can see here vacuole is number 9. It is bigger in size as compared to animal cell. So this is the biggest difference between a plant cell and animal cell. Other differences, along with cell membrane, they have cell wall also. Then they have chloroplast, which contains green pigment known as chlorophyll, which helps the plant to make its food. Other components are same: cytoplasm, mitochondria, nuclear membrane and nucleus. So now you can observe both the figures together and identify the differences between them. So basic differences between plant cells and animal cells, that animal cells are smaller in size and most of them are round in shape, whereas plant cells are larger in size and most of them are box-like shaped. In animal cells, cell wall is absent, whereas in a plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cells, vacuoles are smaller in size, whereas in plant cells, vacuoles are larger in size. So this is the basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. And the main features of plant cell, that it has large vacuoles. Also, they contain plastids which are scattered in the cytoplasm. And how you will identify that they are plastid? They are colorful. You can see your textbook figure, page number 96, 8.7. The colored portion is plastids which contain chlorophyll, and the green colored plastids are called chloroplast. And this is because of these chloroplasts, the green color comes in the leaf, or the leaf has its green color due to the chloroplast present in them. I hope you have understood basic differences between plant cell and animal cell. Refer your textbook page 96. Read the topic comparison of plant cell and animal cells, draw the diagrams and complete this homework. Thank you.